Now we're going to talk about multiple choice questions. Now, many students get excited when they see multiple choice and think it will be easier. And it could be in the sense that you have a good chance of getting the answer correct, at least a 33% chance of guessing correctly if you don't hear it. But the multiple choice questions can be quite tricky. Many times they will say something like most of the answers. So they might mention something to do with A, B, and C. That is possible. Sometimes you'll hear a little bit of everything. Other times they're going to paraphrase. So sometimes they're not even going to say the exact answer that you're listening for. They might give you an answer that has the same meaning as A, B, or C, and you need to recognize when what they're saying actually has the same meaning as one of the choices, A, B, or C.
You will hear two people talking about preparation for a trip. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. You will see that there is an example which has been done for you. On this occasion only, the conversation relating to this will be played first.
Hi, John. Is that you?
Yes. Anne?
Yes, it's me. Did you pack everything last night?
Yes, I did. But I'm just putting the last few things in my suitcase here at work, like books and things.
Okay, so our choices for example 0 would be that John has packed his luggage already, he doesn't want to pack his luggage, or he has almost finished packing. Now they've given us the answer. It is C. He is almost finished packing, but he never says that. He never actually says that exactly, that he is almost finished packing. So what I recommend is you take some short notes. So I took some notes here, and I wrote down that he said, yes, I did. He was packing, and he's just putting the last few things in. So I understand that that has the same meaning as almost finished packing, so that's why I would choose C. Now, when you have multiple choice questions like number 1, what will the weather be like during the holidays? It's very important to look at the choices and see what is different. So we can see the temperature could be 30, 30, 30, or 13, 13. So that is one difference we must listen for carefully. The other choices would be cloudy, sunny, raining. Okay, so we'll be listening for those, or phrases that would have the same meaning. Okay, so definitely check each answer beforehand to see what is different. So that will help you listen carefully to pick the correct answer. For a multiple choice question like number 3, you must read the question very carefully. What does John not want to do on his holiday? Not want to do. If you read the question very quickly and not carefully, you would probably be likely to choose C, lie on the beach, because he does actually talk about that. But that is something he does want to do. And you'll also hear maybe the other speaker, they'll use that answer as a choice. So the other speaker wants to visit historical places, but not John. So for something like question 3, we can see 3 pictures that are very similar. So right away, we need to identify the differences. Picture A has a map with one big star. Of course, picture B, you can see, has 2 smaller stars. And picture 3 has no stars. So we can guess right away that we have to listen for the number of stars or if there are no stars.
Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 5.
Hi, John. Is that you?
Yes. Anne?
Yes, it's me. Did you pack everything last night?
Yes, I did. But I'm just putting the last few things in my suitcase here at work, like books and things.
It's really exciting. I can't wait to get there.
Me neither.
I had a look at the weather forecast for the holiday, and it looks as if it's going to be wonderful. It's going to be 30 degrees Celsius and sunny with no clouds at all.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, the beaches there are marvellous, with white sand, large sand dunes and blue sea, and no offices or skyscrapers. We can spend some time on the beach. It's very relaxing.
Definitely. So don't forget your sun cream. When I'm on holiday, I always lie on the beach and read books and listen to music. Then I do some shopping and I eat a lot. In fact, I do all the things that I don't really have time to do here.
Me too. But I want to visit a few historical sites as well.
As you know, you'll have to do that on your own. I just lie around and do nothing.
No problem. I find it difficult just sitting or lying around all day, doing nothing at all.
Yeah, okay. So, where shall we meet and when?
I think it's best at the airport itself. Let's meet on the departure level.
But where?
Well, there's a shopping area just on the left as you come to the departure level.
Yeah, I think I know it.
And the first restaurant as you go in on the left is Chinese. It's got this map of China with one big star on it.
Are you sure I won't miss it?
You won't. I can't remember the name, but anyway, we'll have our mobile phones.
Yes, so no need to worry.
OK, what time then?
Say 5 p.m?
But the plane doesn't depart until 8 o'clock.
Yes, but we are supposed to be there 2 hours before check-in and security checks. That can take a good hour at least.
Yeah, I suppose so.
One thing, do you think that they're strict about the baggage allowance?
Yes, I think so. We're only allowed 25 kilograms each.
I thought it was more.
Try putting some heavy things in your hand luggage, but don't overdo it.
Yeah, that's an idea.